Welcome to Turbo Finance, where we uncover the secrets of financial success. Today, we're explaining this intriguing topic, why the first $100,000 are so tough and why the next are a breeze. So, grab your notepad and let's unravel the mysteries of wealth accumulation. But before we get started, if you're the kind of person that wants to prosper in life and want to keep discovering money secrets, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to receive our latest tips for growing your wealth. Picture this. You have big dreams of financial freedom, but getting started feels like climbing a steep mountain. Well, you're not alone. It's a common struggle. Even the renowned Charlie Munger, vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway and famous multi-billionaire, believes that the first 100,000 euros are the hardest to accumulate. When he was asked about his best advice on investing and growing wealth, he said, "The first $100,000 is a bitch, but you gotta do it. I don't care what you have to do. If it means walking everywhere and not eating anything that wasn't purchased with a coupon, find a way to get your hands on $100,000. Many successful individuals share this sentiment, having experienced the challenging journey of building their financial wealth from scratch. Reaching the initial $100,000 milestone requires significant effort and personal input to build the foundation of your portfolio. This can be an overwhelming task, especially for those starting out with limited resources, but fear not, my friend, we've got some good news ahead. Once you cross that magical $100,000 mark, the journey to wealth accumulation takes an exciting turn. It becomes noticeably easier and faster. Do you know why? It's all thanks to the power of compound interest, a financial wizard that starts working wonders when your portfolio reaches a substantial size. Up until this point, almost all the weight of accumulating money falls directly on your shoulders. Saving and making small investments, even if you achieve a high percentage of returns, will yield a relatively small amount of money. However, once you pass the 100,000 mark, things change and it starts to accelerate, all thanks to compound interest. Let's dive into the fascinating world of compound interest. Even if the percentage returns remain constant, this incredible snowball effect allows for larger returns in actual money. As a result, your money begins to grow more rapidly over time, propelling you towards higher levels of wealth quicker than during the initial phase. Let's check with a theoretical example how this is possible. Imagine you are an investor that manages to invest $10,000 each year. At a 7% annual interest rate, your net worth will grow to $100,000 in 7.84 years. If 7% seems like a lot to you, subscribe to this channel because we are going to reveal how to achieve more than 15% easily. As you can see, if you continue to invest $10,000 per year at the same 7% interest rate, you will be able to save your next $100,000 in only 5.1 years. As time goes on, you will be able to accumulate each additional $100,000 faster and faster. Finally, the last $100,000 for the million will take you less than a year and a half. As you can see in this table, the first $100,000 would take you more than a quarter of the total time to get the million. However, once you've conquered this first $100,000 hurdle, the subsequent $100,000 milestones arrive with increasing velocity. To illustrate, consider that progressing from $100,000 to $200,000 represents just a swift 17% slice of the overall journey, taking merely 5.1 years out of the total 30.73 years. But are there more reasons, and is there a way to accelerate this? Reaching the $100,000 milestone is a significant turning point for investors. It serves as a motivational springboard to keep growing your wealth. The sense of achievement and progress becomes a driving force, fueling the desire to continue saving and investing for a brighter financial future. What was once an effort now becomes a habit. Additionally, as your portfolio expands, a world of opportunities unfolds before you. You'll gain newfound financial flexibility to explore exciting ventures. This includes the ability to take calculated risks with investments and even pursue ambitious projects like starting your own business. To speed up your journey to the $100,000 milestone, focus on increasing your income and saving more money. Whether it's taking on extra work, starting a side business, or becoming more mindful of spending, every step counts towards your financial goals. If you subscribe to this channel, I will be releasing concrete advice to earn extra income faster. Consistency is the key to long-term wealth building. Developing the habit of saving and investing consistently is essential. When you're not used to having too much extra money in your account, the moment you achieve it, your first impulse will be to spend it, especially if it's unexpected money, like an extra income, a gift, an inheritance, or any unforeseen income. The first phase towards prosperity involves acquiring discipline and planning. That doesn't mean we can't enjoy the present or treat ourselves to small indulgences from time to time, but you'll have to learn to do it sensibly and without losing sight of the goal. How many times do we spend money on silly things? Clothes we don't like, restaurants that turned out to be expensive and not so good, impulsive purchases that we realize were not a good idea, or things we don't need and sometimes don't even want. It's true that at first it can be difficult to resist those spending impulses, but remember that you're sowing the seeds of your own fortune. This may be the most difficult part of the whole process at first, but then it will become liberating. It is because of this lack of prudent mentality and discipline that many lottery winners go bankrupt. We all know how to spend, but achieving returns and making money grow requires a different vision. Making money little by little is expensive, but it is also an opportunity to learn and create good financial habits. That way, if a wonder like winning that lottery happens one day, we'll be prepared. And if it doesn't happen, we'll be building our own fortune step by step. If you cultivate discipline and financial wisdom, you become the architect of your own economic destiny. And don't forget that life is a constant learning process. Every small achievement and every challenge overcome will make you stronger and teach you valuable lessons. Don't be discouraged if you make a mistake, we all do. The important thing is to learn from them and keep moving forward. As you get accustomed to these practices, they become easier to maintain, and over time, become second nature to you. As your wealth increases, you gain experience and knowledge. You'll feel more comfortable navigating the ups and downs of different market cycles. This valuable experience will further contribute to the growth of your financial assets and lead you towards greater prosperity. Looking ahead, reaching the next milestone of $1 million becomes comparatively much easier. So stay focused, keep learning, and remember that the path to financial success is an adventure worth embracing. Throughout your financial journey, it's crucial to celebrate each milestone you achieve. Whether it's the first $1,000 saved or hitting that coveted $100,000 mark, recognize and celebrate your progress. These milestones are a testament to your dedication and perseverance, reminding you of the incredible heights you can reach with your financial aspirations. Now let's talk about the importance of financial education. Just like we explored the secrets of wealth accumulation, educating yourself about personal finances is essential. The more you learn, the more confidence you'll have to make smart financial decisions that positively impact your path to wealth. Beyond traditional savings accounts, consider diversifying your investments. Explore different asset classes like stocks, real estate, or even crowdfunding. Diversification can mitigate risks and open new growth opportunities, allowing your wealth to flourish in diverse economic landscapes. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your financial goals. A support network can provide valuable insights, accountability, and motivation on your journey. Whether joining investment clubs, attending financial seminars, or participating in online communities, connecting with others will provide the support and mindset needed to stay on track and reach new heights. Along your financial journey, you'll face challenges and make mistakes. It's a natural part of growth. Embrace these experiences as opportunities to learn and improve. Remember, every setback is a stepping stone toward future success. An abundance mindset is crucial to attract financial success. Believe that there are infinite possibilities for growth and prosperity in your life. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering affirmations and visualize the financially abundant life you wish to manifest. As you accumulate knowledge and experience, consider giving back to others just as I do through this channel. Share your financial wisdom generously, whether through mentoring aspiring individuals, writing inspiring blogs, or creating educational videos. By empowering others with the knowledge and tools to navigate the world of finance, you set in motion a powerful domino effect, positively influencing their lives and inspiring them to embark on their own rewarding wealth-building journey. As the visionary Robert Kiyosaki aptly puts it, the single most powerful asset we all have is our mind. If it is trained well, it can create enormous wealth. With his magnetic energy and transformative insights, Robert has become a renowned figure in the fields of entrepreneurship and financial education. Most notably recognized for his best-selling masterpiece, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, he ignited a financial revolution, liberating millions from the shackles of limited financial thinking and showing them the path to lasting financial freedom. Nurturing an abundance mindset is at the heart of attracting financial success. Embrace the belief that boundless possibilities for growth and prosperity await you. Dare to replace any limiting beliefs with empowering affirmations and vividly visualize the financially abundant life you aspire to manifest. With determination, optimism, and some guidance, you'll discover the power to unlock your full financial potential and thrive in a world of endless possibilities. Thank you for joining me today in this enriching exploration of wealth accumulation. If you find this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be part of our thriving community of financially savvy members and continue to receive videos that will guide you on your path to prosperity. Happy investing, and we'll see you soon with more knowledge and motivational ideas right here on Turbo Finance.